little girl standing right there in front of me. Girl her heart when she smiling at me. Me knew that she want me by the way that she was staring at me. Me say oh what a blessing. She's so hot and she's so impressive. A black cloud thing there she possessing. She's so beautiful and I'm so handsome. Perfect match. She's so serious. Fine say she a make us so curious. Same time she a hotter than the whole of them, better than the whole of them. At this girl a possess a rasta man thing. She's so serious. Fine say she a make us so curious. Same time she a hotter than the whole of them, better than the whole of them. At this girl a possess a rasta man thing. Jesus Christ, this girl she hot. She's like an angel sent from the Almighty. Good combination of this girl she tight. A good one to have in your bed every night. We do only good things when you turn off the light. She kinda good girl who can start up the fight. A kinda good girl who can treat a man right. Me say big up to help me turn up the lighter. She's so serious. Fine say she a make us so curious. Same time she a hotter than the whole of them, better than the whole of them. At this girl a possess a rasta man thing. She's so serious. Fine say she a make us so curious. Same time she a hotter than the whole of them, better than the whole of them. At this girl a possess a rasta man thing. She a African girl with a black beauty, hotter than the whole of them. A young Mrs. Cutie, short wheelbase girl with a fat booty. Believe me, she's strong and she fit with the duty. She a hot little mama, soft and she can keep you cool in the summer. Hot, cause in the winter she a warmer. Oh gosh, Jesus Christ. She's so serious. Fine say she a make us so curious. Same time she a hotter than the whole of them, better than the whole of them. At this girl a possess a rasta man thing. She's so serious. Fine say she a make us so curious. Same time she a hotter than the whole of them, better than the whole of them. At this girl a possess a rasta man thing. Me saw the little girl standing right there in front of me. Girl her heart and she smiling at me. Me knew that she want me by the way that she was staring at me. Me say oh what a blessing. She's so hot and she's so impressive. A black cloud thing there she possessing. She's so beautiful and I'm so handsome. Perfect match. She's so serious. Fine say she a make us so curious. Same time she a hotter than the whole of them, better than the whole of them. At this girl a possess a rasta man thing. She's so serious. Fine say she a make us so curious. Same time she a hotter than the whole of them, better than the whole of them. At this girl a possess a rasta man thing. Yes baby, taking music from a high level to a higher level. Mr. Ed Show, and we are representing Mafia 19.